The federal quarantine hotel program is proving ineffective. Over the last week, horrifying reports of sexual assault, unsafe and deplorable conditions at federal quarantine hotel facilities have emerged. Conservatives were the first to call for the Liberals to enact border measures to secure our country from the threat of COVID-19. At that time, over a year ago, the Liberal government instead said that border measures would make things worse or not work at all. If they would have acted more quickly at the beginning, Canada would have been better positioned to fight the pandemic. A year later, the Liberals instituted a federal hotel quarantine requirement for those entering Canada. We have heard reports that it is taking hours to get through to book these hotels, dietary restrictions are not being met, and food and water is not always readily available. That's in addition to this program continuing after reports of sexual assault. This is mind-boggling. There are other reasons this program is a failure. Government officials were unable to answer the Health Committee what data shows that this hotel requirement was better for public health outcomes than safely quarantining at home. We are also concerned that the haphazard patchwork of exemptions and the lack of consideration for essential and compassionate travelers has left some people stranded. Now is not the time for leisure travel, but we do know that there are still people who will travel for essential purposes. With the number of reasons outlined above, it is time for the Liberals to permanently end this program. Instead of this bungled, mismanaged program, we urge the government to scrap it and replace it with a more effective system of enhanced pre- and post-arrival testing for international travelers and better and safer enforcement of the at-home quarantine. We can protect Canadians from COVID-19 without subjecting them to this type of deplorable and un-Canadian treatment. This is not who we are as Canadians. We can protect Canada from an influx of new cases by using the tools already at our disposal, pre- and post-arrival testing and at-home quarantine. This mandatory hotel program has been bungled and needs to be ended now.